Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to make pull to refresh. Actually, a table view with pulling, it's gonna be refresh and sort in opposite way. Yeah, and also there is a code in source code, and there's a link in comments. Yeah, let's start, and before that I'll show you. You have a table like this. When you pull it down, it's gonna refresh in opposites. Again, yeah, this is how it is, and it's gonna be very useful for you and for your users. So yeah, let's start our project. So file, new project. I name it iOS Swift UI table view pull to refresh. Yeah, it's going to be very short tutorial. You will see I'm going to use pre-made actually tools in Xcode to make it much faster. I should give the idea to you, how you can use in different way. So far we try to make these things cost one step by one step, but now we're gonna do it in a different way. So first of all, I'm gonna select my view controller, delete it, and also this one I'm gonna select it, right click and delete, move to trash. So I remove these two. Then I'll go to main storyboard, and here I'm gonna add navigation controller. So you can drag or drop, or here navigation controller. I'm gonna drop it here. But here you will notice that it's not only a navigation or controller, it is there, but there is a one table view. So I just which actually formatted and ready to use. I just need to go and make sure that my cell identifier being named as a cell, something like this, yeah, or maybe use capitals. Okay, and then here I'm gonna go, okay, I want to add new file, Cocoa Touch, and so superclass UI TableViewController, and yeah, name of file gonna be TableViewController, and yeah, create it. Then also I need to go to my main storyboard again and select our table, actually my view even, and here I need to make sure that this table view controller gonna be controller for that. Then I'll go to my table view controller file, and here I need to make my code. So I just say variable alphabets equal yes, for example, B, C, okay, and then I'll go down and the number of sections, I just say 1, number of item or row in section gonna be my alphabets, small a, dot count. So number of item in alphabet, and then I need to see if I have function for, yeah, this one. So for row add, I'm gonna uncomment this one and config my cell here, and here I just say cell dot text label dot text equal alphabets with index of index path dot row. And here I need to make it optional. Okay, and so this part is for, and here I can use identifier that I just placed there, if you remember, in as a cell in view storyboard. We select our table view cell and we make sure that identifier is cell. Okay, so we are good so far, but there's no refresh yet, so let's go and doing that. Okay, so we need another variable here, so I name this a variable is ascending, and I make it true. Okay, so now one more function we need. So I make a function here. This function I'm gonna name it sort array, and I'm not gonna give it any parameter and also not return anything. But what we do, we just say let sort that alphabets equal alphabets dot reverse, and then I just say for index and element in sorted alphabets dot enumerated, say my alphabets that index equal elements, and I just say okay, my table view my table view, reload data on it, also refresh control that and refresh. Okay, so where I'm gonna trigger this function, also yeah, in my view did load, I'm gonna do this. So in view did load, here I just say let refresh control equal UI refresh control, and here just say this refresh control dot add target self action gonna be okay from selector call sort array, and here I just say UI control events dot value changed. Yes, just say that UIControlEvents has been renamed to UIControl.event. Okay, so UIControl.event value change. Also, this one said that you called something that most likely is Objective-C method. So yeah, I'm gonna make it Objective-C. Just if I fix it, here, then I dropped this for us. So now we need to also here we need to say self dot UI self refresh control equal refresh control, and also in our main storyboard we need to say make sure that this view navigation controller is initial, because we delete the main view controller, will suffer loss. Initial view controller, and now it is. So let me run it and see how will be my output. Yes, our table view is good so far, so I'm gonna put it down. Yes, you will see it has been reversed, and put it down. So yeah, this is how it's working. Just you can add pull down refresh to your table. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any question, please ask in comment. I'll be more happy to help you, and I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.